What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. I gotta pre-warn you, I'm kind of like losing my voice. Hopefully it doesn't last too terribly long. I mean, for the love of God, I do YouTube for a living, you know what I'm saying? I need my voice. But I think for the time being today, I might have Braven do as much of the talking as possible.
You know I suck at this recording thing.
Alright, so what's up, guys? Welcome back to the garage.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the garage. Bro, it's hot.
It is hot. Just so you know, today's video is brought to you by Max Speeding Rods. Go.
Yeah, I quit here. You move your lips and I'll talk.
The only person here right now is me, Braven.
No, I'm not nervous. It's just
Yeah, you're nervous.
I just don't
you
do
little
that kind of
baby.
stuff.
Alright, well, I tried. Braven's being a baby. Hopefully you guys can suffer through listening to this damn voice all day. So like I was saying, today's video is brought to you guys by Max Speeding Rods, man. They are taking care of us once again. Today, they're actually taking care of Braven. I want to let you guys know really quick, Braven actually reached out and got in touch with them. This is a deal solely through Braven, in which he's going to be promoting this on his Instagram. So by all means, man, go show him some love, help him out with this promotion. Max Speeding Rods is taking care of my son. They take care of us all the time. They have a discount code for you. Links and all the information for that will be in the description down below. But before we get to cracking this box open, we're gonna go ahead and get all the old suspension off of the coupe and get all that trash out of our way. You know what I'm saying? Well, there's all the stock garbage. Now it's time to open up the new stuff. What? Why'd you get red, bro?
I get lucky, you know what I'm saying?
What the hell? All my coilovers always been that yellow color. That's freaking sick. Hell, freak yeah, bro. Bam, there they are, dude. So huge shout out to Max Speeding Rods. They sent us out a brand new set of coilovers for Braven's coupe. Not only do these have an adjustable dampener on them, but they're also ride height adjustable, so you can actually adjust the ride height without having to sacrifice preload on your springs. So definitely a dope ass set of coilovers, man, especially if you're on a budget. These are great for people that, you know, you can't afford the $800–900, upwards of $1,500 to $2,000 coilovers. Just a couple $100, man, you can get better performance than your stock suspension and be able to adjust your ride height, man. You can't beat it. And we got one more box we got to open up. We're going to be using these on Braven's coupe as well. I actually ordered these for the EK sedan because the bushings on them are completely shot out. I've actually used this kit. I don't remember what brand it is. But it was on my recently purchased list from a long time ago. I've used these ones off of Amazon. They're like 90 bucks. I used them a long time ago on one of my old cars, and I never had a problem with them, bro. So I know they're cheapies, but you know what? It is what it is. So we're gonna get the camber kit installed on the rear, because as you can see, the ones that were on there are just completely shot, dude. All right, all of the suspension is now bolted up, and we added the extended studs in the rear. We do have some to put on the front as well. We'll probably do that at a later time. Just the rear had to be done, dude, because literally almost every one of the studs on the back of this car was stripped. Finishing up getting these ones pulled in. Well, of course, all my batteries are dead. I know, upgrade to Milwaukee or get bigger DeWalt batteries. I understand. Braven is reassembling the brakes. I'm not gonna lie, we were supposed to get a lot further today. We were gonna get his engine and everything installed. Surprise! The electric in my entire neighborhood went out earlier from about 3:15 until about 6:30, bro. Straight, no electric. The house was hot as freaking hell. But yeah, we ended up taking off and going to get some food and stuff.
Let's do this correctly. Sheesh! That came out sick. Look at that. Look at the ride height. So much better. So much better. Before it looked like a whole monster truck. Ooh, those wheels are growing on me. Except for the tires. The tires are way too big, but it's okay. Alrighty, time to set it on the floor now. The car's really dirty. That's what we get painting cars all black in the desert. Yeah, it's not gonna work out, but it's okay. They're nighttime cars. They only come out at night. All right, so the next step that we're trying to get done today is actually get the swap into the car. So that's one of my main big goals right now, is to get the transmission on and then put the swap in. But then randomly, you see the lights are on. We have a power outage. So
all right, I am back out of the house. Not by choice, but by force, because, well, the electric is out. Once again, this is the second day in a row that our electric has went out, and it's like been 110 degrees, I swear to God. Yesterday the electric was out for like 4 or 5 hours. Today it went out at, what time was it when it went out? Like 5? Yeah, and we got a message saying that's probably not going to be back on until after 8 o'clock, bro. So yeah, it's already hotter in the house than it is outside. Anyhow, Braven got his transmission all mounted up to the B20. If you guys haven't noticed, I mean, granted, there's not a whole lot of light since we don't have any electric, but transmission and the block is painted, and Braven just kind of did a quick rattle can on the intake manifold and stuff just to clean it up, make it a little bit more presentable, you know what I'm saying? The idea here is to get the engine in the car right now. Like, he doesn't have an engine harness and a bunch of other little stuff that we still need to get, but we can go ahead and still get the engine mounted in the car. So then at least it's ready. So as he gets the stuff he needs, he can just slowly put it together until it's time to crank the thing up. So we have, I don't know, an hour of daylight left. Hopefully the electric comes on soon. Well, Braven has been putting little accessories and stuff, like trying to finish up the engine, but we're damn near out of light. Well, it looks like a lot more light on the camera. It always does, right? Now 8 o'clock, we still don't have electric, but I mean, as you can see, at least they're working on it. That's all the electric company. So hopefully they get it fixed soon. We got Curly out here. He needs air conditioning. Look at this man.
dying, bro.
Bro, look how much light is in the camera, for real.
Why does the camera look like it's fucking nice?
Dude, it looks like it's like daytime, but it's like dark as fuck out here.
Oh, dude. Dude, that's why we don't know. So mad, bro. Like,
you need to do laundry, dog. You look like a scrub right now, dog.
It's the OG.
The OG red shirt. Throw it in the comments down below if you guys remember Braven literally used to wear this shirt in every video.
Yeah.
Anyhow, guys, it's the next day once again, man. Our electric finally got turned back on. What was it, like after 10 o'clock at night?
Yeah.
Yeah. Once the electric came on, that AC came on, I was out. I turned off. I was in bed, bro. Anyhow, I got the engine in. Of course, we got to do axles and wiring, and there's a lot of stuff still that needs to be done. Did you do the T-bracket yet? Nope. No T-bracket yet, but the engine's in the car, at least, you know what I'm saying? Huge shout out to Max Speeding Rods once again for sending Braven out suspension for this thing. Suspension and the new camber kit for the rear definitely made a huge difference to this thing. Hell yeah, there it is. There they are, looking all fresh. Hopefully I get my voice back soon, man. But anyhow, guys, I want to let you know that not all the numbers obviously have been bought in, so if you guys want to grab yourself a Deadbeat script sticker, it will come with a number, which I'll have on the screen right now. Once they're completely sold out, we're gonna be doing a giveaway, something cool, bro. It's probably gonna be tool related more than likely. Also let you guys know that everything that comes from those stickers and selling those little cutouts, it's going directly into these two builds, you know what I'm saying? And also something to look forward to is we're kind of working on some big things right now, man. Working on making some big moves. Nothing's 100% set in stone just yet, so I don't want to bring it to you guys until I know 100% that it's a for sure thing, you know what I'm saying? But it's definitely gonna be huge, and it's gonna change the channel completely, bro. It's gonna completely change the channel for the good, all right? But don't worry, man, don't worry. I'm gonna stay the same. Like, we're always gonna be doing our hood rat Honda shit. Like, I'm not gonna, when it comes to moving up and making steps in the right direction for this channel, you don't have to worry about me going out and buying a damn Ferrari or some supercar, you know what I mean? Not like I can afford it anyway. Yeah. But even if I could, bro, even if I could, would still be building hood rat shit. Anyhow, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Throw it in the comments down below how you're feeling about all this. Go check Max Speeding Rods out on Instagram. I'll have all of their links in the description down below. Also for these coilovers. Remember, Max Speeding Rods is giving you guys 15% off of everything. You just gotta put DBFam in whenever you're checking out and get that discount, you know what I'm saying? But I appreciate you guys hanging out with us. Peace out, and I'll see you on the next one. Hopefully I got my damn voice back. Yeah. Later there, Rughead.